Alright everybody, what's going on? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Wiremod doorbell. Now, not any Wiremod doorbell, this one actually goes ding and dong and behaves like a normal doorbell where you push it and it dings and then you pull your finger off and it goes dong, just like this. So really cool, and also I'm going to show you how to put a circuit in to cut it off so that people can't just come by and press on your doorbell and troll you while they want to get you out, so you can turn it off from the inside if it gets annoying. So yeah, really cool, and we're gonna get started. Alright, so before we get started, you're gonna want to make sure your server allows you to spawn wire buttons. Make sure they're wire buttons, wire gates, wire sound emitters, and allows you to use the Wire Advanced tool. All these tools I just mentioned we're going to be using today. These are wire tools. They can be found in the Wire tab. Now I've got mine all in the favorites, but you can use the search bar to find the tool you're looking for. But today I'm just going to be using my favorites list. So to get started, we want to just go ahead and spawn the button we'd like to use. I'm going to use this one. Make sure it is not set to toggle. Value on is 1 and value off is 0. And put that outside. That'll be your doorbell. Now once we go in, now it's time to move along to the sound emitters. I'd recommend, you can use any sound you want by going to Open Sound Browser and looking through all these folders and finding a sound you like. But I can recommend buttons/bell1. It sounds really good. It sounds this. But you might have a better sound that you'd like to use. That's alright. So the sound browser, you find the sound you want, and then you click Send to Sound Emitter. And then close out the window. So anyway, pick what you want the sound emitter to look like. I'm going to go ahead with this. And you're going to want to spawn 2 of them. Now, it's important to have 2 for the ding and the dong. So now, that's all the sound emitters we need. We'll go along to the gates. We're going to find a NOT gate under Logic. Logic, NOT gate, invert in parentheses. Pick any one of these models you like. These don't matter, so just adjust them how you like them. I'm going to spawn it down, not invert. And then we're going to need a constant value. Now we're going to need two values. We're going to need both number values. We're going to need a number 1 value and a number 0.75 value. So go ahead and put that down. Again, any model you'd like it to look like up here. Yes, so now it's time to wire up everything. So we're going to get out our Wire Advanced tool and start by wiring A on the NOT gate to the button outside, and then wiring A on your dong bell to out on your NOT gate. And it'll make the noise. Now we're going to want to wire pitch relative on the dong bell to 0.75 on the constant value. And you hear it goes lower. So now we wire A on the ding bell straight to the button. Now we should test it out. It works fine. So cool. It works, it sounds good, but now we want to move along to the circuit that allows you to turn it off if someone starts pressing it too much and trying to annoy you. So you're going to want to go back to gates and find a AND gate and drop that down anywhere you'd like. We're going to go to buttons and get a button. Any model you'd like the button to look like, but this time we're going to make sure toggle is on. We want to check toggle, and the same thing, value on 1, value off 0. drop that down pretty much anywhere, it doesn't matter. Now that's it. We got to go to the Wire Advanced tool. In case you're wondering, if you want to have invisible wires like I do, you set the width to 0. Just a quick tip. Moving to the AND gate, what we're going to want to do is wire A on the AND gate to out on the button, and go ahead and turn that on. We're going to want to wire B on the AND gate to our outside button. Now from here, all we got to do is wire A on the NOT gate to out on the AND gate, and then A on our ding speaker to out on the AND gate. And now, as long as that switch that we put down is on, the doorbell will work. But if someone comes along and is being annoying and pressing it over and over again, you can turn it off, turn this inside switch off, and it won't do anything anymore. So that's it, guys, for the Wiremod doorbell tutorial. It's a really simple sort of thing, but also really useful. So people at your door can get your attention, but also if they want to get your attention a little too much, you can go ahead and shut it off on them, and they won't be able to do it anymore. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Like it if you liked it, and enjoy.